Hello kids, this is Shilu Mishra. Welcome to our channel St. James School Hardoi. Today I will be teaching you English literature, topic Opossum's Tale. But before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Like and share the video. Thank you. Now start our chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Opossum's Tale. What is the name? Opossum's Tale. So dear children, what is opossum? Let's know. Do you know what a marsupial is? Listen carefully. Do you know what a marsupial is? Listen. A marsupial is an animal that carries its young one in a pouch on its body. I think you have seen kangaroo. Kangaroo you have seen, na? Kangaroo always has a small baby in a pouch. So kangaroo is marsupial. Like this, an opossum is a marsupial too. Here is a story about opossum's tale. Let's know the story. See, this is the picture of opossum. What is this? It is opossum. So listen the story. Once upon a time, Opossum had a long and bushy tail. He was so proud of it that he spent all his time in washing and brushing it. He always talked proudly to other animals that he had the finest tail in the whole forest. Means he had much proud of his tail. There was a rabbit in the forest. Who was a rabbit in the forest? And that rabbit had no tail. Why? Because Mr. Bear had pulled it out. And as he had no tail, so he was very much jealous of Opossum's bushy tail. So once he decided to play a trick on Opossum. What he decided? He decided to play a trick on Opossum's. So what he did? See, he invited Opossum to dance. He invited Opossum to dance, and Opossum accepted at once. In fact, it was chance for him to show his extremely good tail. And Rabbit suggested Opossum to keep Cricket. Cricket is a small green color insect. This is Cricket. So Rabbit suggested Opossum to keep Cricket to look after and brushing his tail so that it could look the best. Opossum agreed. The next day Cricket arrived with a bag containing comb and scissor and long piece of ribbon. Okay? Opossum told Cricket that it was a great honor of Cricket to be allowed to groom his beautiful tail. Cricket told Opossum that he brought long ribbon to wrap around his tail and comb and trim. This way it not be dirty during dance. And Opossum laid down and Cricket began working gently brushing the long bushy tail. And it was so soothing when Cricket was brushing his tail, it was giving him so calm that he slept deeply. And when he woke up, he saw that his tail was neatly wrapped, means his tail was neatly tied in a ribbon. When Opossum arrived at dance, the rabbit offered to remove the ribbon. Opossum agreed. As soon as he stepped it into the dance, Opossum looked around. Opossum looked around to see the other animals' expression. What was the expression of other animals when they are seeing his beautiful tail? But what he saw that all other animals were pointing at his tail. Opossum thought that they were praising his tail, but actually they were making fun of his tail. Why? As Opossum looked down, what he saw? he saw that he had cut single hair of his tail, and now his bushy tail was looking very bad without hair. And at last, Opossum had to be embarrassed. Means Proudy Opossum, who had so much proud on his tail, now he had to be embarrassed because of his proud and foolishness. So it was the result of being proudy for anything. Jealous Rabbit played a trick and he succeeded in his game because proud can make anyone fool or blind as Opossum. So dear children, we should not have proud for anything. It ends our power of thinking as Opossum, right? So what we learned from the story, that we should not proud for anything. Now I will ask some questions and you give me answer to know how much you have learned from this story. Now I will ask you some question related to the story and you will give me correct answer. Okay. So number 1, which animal carries its young one in a pouch? Okay. Kangaroo or cow?
Kangaroo.
Yes. Very good. Number 2, who had proud on its tail? Opossum or elephant?
Opossum.
Yes. Who came to groom Opossum's tail? Cricket or monkey?
Cricket.
Good. Which animal's tail Mr. Bear pulled it out? Rabbit or opossum?
Rabbit.
Number 5. Is an opossum marsupial too? Yes, you know.
Yes.
Very good. Now, dear children, I am giving you homework, that is difficult words, and you have to learn. Okay? Number 1, you have to learn and write 2 times after learning. Number 1, fabulous. 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 Number 2, opossum. 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 Number 3, wrap. WRAP, wrap. Number 4, bushy. BUSSHY, bushy. And number 5, tail. TAIL, tail. Okay. First you learn them. After that you write 2 times more. Okay. Now children, I am giving you word meanings. You learn them. Okay. Number 1, fabulous. Number 1, fabulous means extremely good. And number 2, groom. Groom means to clean by brushing. And number 3, trim. Trim means to cut something extra. Trim means to cut something extra. Number 4, soothing. Soothing means giving a calm feeling. Soothing means giving a calm feeling. Number 5, wrap. Wrap means something as cover. And number 6 is snoring. Snoring means breathing noisily while you sleep. Okay, these are the word meanings and you learn them. Okay.